nothing much happened today because there was no need for me to bring out the camera. Right now I'm on my way to Ringwood to get Laura from the office because yeah, she doesn't have any ride today. Yeah, I'm listening to Get Zero's right now. One of his songs I liked when I was high school. Played it, but didn't play everything correctly. Yeah, teen spirit. Teen. Anyway, we'll be driving now, and yeah, I have 2 videos in queue. It needs to be edited and uploaded. Bit of delay because I was busy yesterday shooting a wedding, and yeah, that's it. Anyway, see you later. Cheers. In the mall right now. We're like mall rats. So we're gonna be running around, and Daiso.
Except that we don't say malls because we're in Australia.
Yeah, we say shopping center. So it's shopping center here, not mall. What's mall? What's mall? Anyway, we're hungry.
Shopping center. Let's say rat nila pa no.
Look at that! It's like a spaceship. We are. David Jones. We're here at Ringwood, walking around, looking for some food. Yeah. Napol.
Dito din may mahal kay Mick.
Kanila may tanahon kani. Pineapple.
Mahal na Mick, oy.
Let's get out of here.
Pulo tanaw mo Mick, oh.
Okay.
Baby clams.
Sila mo kasi pagputang sa
Sirloin with green apple salad and sticky rice.
Maski yun sa kakagahi mo hila ka. Tiger.
Sirloin.
Dinner. Yep, that's it. It's the car. We're heading home. Uy, nalock. Ano naman to?
Car.
It's okay, we still have our car. We're heading home now.
We're na okay na pag kwato.
So we're testing this out. Let's see the white balance, how does it work. Got remote control for the lighting today. It's just a young node that we have. Lower down. Ooh, that looks bad. So it's gonna get some more light. That's the best it's gonna do. Then still hitting me. So it's just gonna hit a few. We're gonna need another light here. So that's eyes at 250 mm, and that's a bit of lighting we have. Let's turn on this. Have it background lighting. It's gonna be tiny. We would want a light that's gonna hit me here. Let's try this one out. This. So we have lighting from the back. I can see the light here. So that's gonna be like more lighting. Unless if you want to use this lighting here, that's more softer. We turn off this light. There's nothing. Let's try it on. Full power, full power. We'll just do ISO bump. No way. Fuck. So that's 640. We'll do ISO. Take this up here. And it's lower. That's gonna look, because the eyesight's really good. I reckon the eyesight's good for main light. Yep, eyesight's good for main light. Just wanna hide the part there where it's black. So it's off this. That's how it looks. So that's with the eyesight on it, and we put a bit of lighting for the rest. This is the eyesight. Eyesight only. A bit of lighting from above. I'm just gonna turn it off. So this is the lighting. If you're gonna use the eyesight only, if you're gonna use the Yongno, that's good. And it's not so harsh because that's good. You can see more of my face, and that's good. It's gonna stop now. I like this lighting. Not gonna need that light anymore. Let's turn this off first, and let's turn this light on. Control will be right. So that's how light is. I'm gonna use that light. Is it gonna matter? Yes, it's gonna matter. That's how it is. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now. Okay, I just finished. Came home now and yeah, just had dinner. Finished dinner. We're here home doing the laundry. I'm also testing my Yongno YN 200, I reckon. Got. So yeah, it's remote control. But it doesn't have the power supply, so like the difference is it doesn't have a power supply compared to the version 3. Yeah, it should be good. I'll test it more in the next few days. Over and out. And yeah, I'm currently editing right now, so I just have to end the vlog now and see you tomorrow, or the day after, or the day after.